Hey guys, so today, without further ado, we're looking at the BoostCharge Pro Belkin new product released June 2023, so this month. It's a fast wireless charger for the Apple Watch and a power bank, 10,000 milliamps, can fast charge your iPhone at 20 watts, but most importantly, and I believe most heavily leaned on from a marketing point of view, of course, it's a power bank that's capable of fast charging the Apple Watch. That functionality has been available to the Apple Watch since the Series 7, so available on the Series 7, Series A, and the Ultra. And this is the first power bank to be able to fast charge an Apple Watch that's on the market. Belkin have previously released this portable fast charger for the Apple Watch. However, it does need to be plugged in, so it's not completely wireless as this power bank is. And yeah, without further ado, let's crack it open. So as you can see, when we open it up here, get a little diagram of how the Apple Watch can be rested on the product, and likewise how you can charge both at the same time, and the LED indicators. Let's open it up. Actually more compact than I thought it was. It's quite dense. It's like heavy, but not too huge. Cool. Generally, you want a power bank to be compact anyways. Here it is. It's got a nice silicone out of there, and you've got the Apple Watch puck there. USB-C input, LED indicators. Oops. You guys didn't see that. I will fix that up now. That's better. And let's see if there's any charge here. Nice, it's 3/4 full. Still probably give it a bit of a charge up, but yeah, it looks good. Very minimalistic, elegant design, pretty compact as you can see. So yeah, let me spend a bit of time with it and then we'll get into the analysis, into the review. Cool. And forgot to showcase that there's a USB-C to C cable here. It is very small, so I'll probably just be using my regular laptop charger USB-C cable to power this power bank. And let's get a quick look at what it looks like with my Apple Watch Ultra on the particular Belkin portable fast charger. I'll be coming out with a review for this hopefully in like the next 1 or 2 weeks, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll get that review out once I've got enough data from this power bank, and also even my other power bank I have, which can also charge Apple Watch and iPhone alike. Yeah, till next time guys.